Always interested in finding out what types of techniques and strategies improve student learning in the classroom. An area that has just exploded in terms of rich research findings have been the area of cognitive research. And what we want you to do is to dig into some of the cognitive research on memory and learning and neuroplasticity and find one article that you find particularly applicable to your own teaching situations. So when you find this article, we want you to sort of step back and say, okay, what makes these findings reliable? Why are the recommendations and the results and the findings from this article particularly valid? And what learning principles are at play in this research article? A couple of books that I've been reading over the last year in this area have been How We Learn by Ben Carey and also Make It Stick. This is a really fascinating book. Talk about all kinds of different techniques to improve memory and retention. Talk about the interleaving effect, blocked and serial and space practice, pre-testing, and the role that actually having time in between and letting our brains rest and sleep actually improves learning. So once you've found a great article, dig into it, find out and highlight what the results are and the findings and what are the key principles that were discovered in this research, and then take that and ask yourself, how can I apply this learning principle into my classroom, into the workshop and the session that I'm going to be teaching, and how might I adapt it to meet the needs of my students to improve student learning?